Sermon number 99. Abstinence of the world, and vicissitudes of time. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. We praise Allah for what has happened and seek His succor in our affairs for what is yet to happen, and we beg Him for safety in the faith just as we beg Him for safety in our bodies. O creatures of Allah! I advise you to keep away from this world which is, shortly, to leave you even though you do not like its departure, and which would make your bodies old even though you would like to keep them fresh. Your example and its example is like the travelers who travel some distance and then as though they traverse it quickly or they aimed at a sign and reached it at once. How short is the distance to the aim if one heads towards it and reaches it? And how short is the stage of one who has only a day which he cannot exceed while a swift driver is driving him in this world till he departs from it. So do not hanker after worldly honor and its pride. And do not feel happy over its beauties and bounties nor wail over its damages and misfortunate because its honor and pride would end while its beauty and bounty would perish, and its damages and misfortunes would pass away. Every period in it has an end and every living being in it is to die. Is not the for you a warning in the relics of the predecessors and an eye-opener and lesson in your forefathers, provided you understand? Do you not see that your predecessors do not come back and the surviving followers do not remain? Do you not observe that the people of the world pass mornings and evenings in different conditions? Thus, somewhere, the dead is wept for, someone is being condoled. Someone is prostrate in distress, someone is inquiring about the sick, someone is passing his last breath, someone is hankering after the world while death is looking for him, someone is forgetful but he is not forgotten, by death, and on the footsteps of the predecessors walk the survivors. Beware. At the time of committing evil deeds remember the destroyer of joys, the spoiler of pleasures, and the killer of desires, namely death. Seek assistance of Allah for fulfillment of His obligatory rights, and for thanking Him for His countless bounties and obligations.